Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel, The Ads Guy. So this will be the third video we're making for this channel, and if you've not subscribed to our channel, I'll encourage you to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on new videos that we post. And also, when you subscribe to our channel, you can comment a video you want us to create for you, and we'll do that for you without any much hassle. So today's video will be showing you how you can sell on Facebook without spending a single dime. Yes, if you're a business owner or you're someone who sells physical products especially, and you're looking for buyers and you've been running ads and you've not really gotten successful buyers and you don't want to be spending much money, you can sell on Facebook. All you need is just your Facebook account. So you can either use any Facebook app you have, either the Facebook Lite or the main Facebook app, whichever app you want to use, you can do that. So all you have to just do is log into your account. This is my account now. When you log into your account, then you click on the three dots at the top right hand side for you to be able to view this option. So it might not be three dots. Let's check out the other Facebook account and let's see. Okay, it's still three dots here. So just click that so you can view those options. And then if you're not seeing everything, there will be a button below here to click on for view more, in case you're not seeing that. So what we'll be going to is what we'll call marketplace. You can see marketplace here, so that's what we'll be clicking. So Facebook Marketplace is basically a platform that Facebook created where you can sell any physical item. You can see some listing that some people have, TVC machines, phones. You can sell basically anything on Facebook Marketplace as long as it's a physical product. This way you're not paying any single dime and you're still selling your products online. So to sell, all you have to just do is click on this sell button at the top here, click on sell, and then you'll be presented with this page. Now this page will ask you to choose the category of what you want to sell. So let's say, for example, you want to sell a phone, right? You sell phones, right? And you want to sell a particular phone, or let's just say you sell clothes, right? You sell female clothing. You can just click on female clothing and shoes. The reason why this category is very important is so that Facebook can be able to show it to people who are searching for these items, and also your ads. Also those who are actively searching for this on their Facebook feed might likely come across this condition. You can also select if what you're selling is new or it has been used. So if it's new, you can just click on new, and then the brand, if there's a brand, you can put it there. Maybe it's a designer dress like Gucci and the rest. But if it's not, you can just, maybe if it's thrift, you can just type thrift. Yeah. Then the size, is it medium or is it different sizes? You can put that, or you can put different sizes. Now, what are you selling? Thrift, clothings, and more, right? Then the price, so you can just put a price, the average price. Maybe your thrift clothes cost from 1,500 naira to 5,000, so you can just put on average your clothes, you can just say maybe 3,500 naira. Then your location, now you can decide to put a physical location if you're in Nigeria. But if you're not in Nigeria, you can type a place in Ghana that, okay, this is where I'm located, Kumasi Central, Ghana. And you put that description, so you type something about the clothes, the condition of the clothes, if it has been worn, if it's a good quality cloth and all that. So you can just type all that, put your contact address, your email and all that here, and then also instructions, maybe if it's payment on delivery and all that stuff. You can choose that you want to list this as a single item, or you want to list it if you are selling more than one, as in a stock. So if you're selling more than one, you just click on stock. Then you can decide to offer shipping, that's you ship for those people or not. Then you can decide that you want to hide this from your Facebook friends. You don't want your Facebook friends to come across this post that you want to make. Then you can now decide to add photos of what you are selling. So you can just check for any random picture. If it's okay, then you just select it. Let's see. I don't really have much nice pictures. Just click on done. So to process this and upload it, then you can still add more pictures if you want of your products. Then once you are done, all you have to just do is click on publish, either below here or at the top here, and your item will be reviewed by Facebook to make sure that it's not an illegal product you are selling. And once their review team, once it's reviewed successfully, to go online and your product will be displayed like this. So once people come across your product and they want to chat you up, you can see some of these items there in Ghana cedis. It's because I chose my location to be Ghana. You can see the prices have changed to Ghana cedis, so that can also happen. That's for Kumasi, right? So I've changed my location to Kumasi, and that's why you can say, oh, this is showing in Ghana cedis. So if you want to check if you have any messages, all you have to just do is click on your inbox, and then anybody who have chatted you up concerning your product, it will display here. Then you can decide to redirect them to your WhatsApp or whichever place that you feel you can sell to them properly. So that's all for this video. If you enjoyed the video, please kindly leave us a like and kindly subscribe to the channel and comment a video you still want us to create for you. I hope to see you guys soon.